Hi, my name is David Schroeder. I'm the Vice President of Business Development for Blue Nano Incorporated. We are an advanced nanomaterials manufacturer with a core technology that allows us to produce silver nanowires at extremely high quality at commercial level quantities. Now these nanowires, because they're so small in diameter, they're virtually transparent. We get transparencies up to 92–93% on when they're coated onto a polymer or a glass substrate. In addition to that, they're very conductive, and so it is an ideal replacement technology for indium tin oxide and other alternative TCOs. It's an ideal to replace polymers like PEDOT, PSS, or to work in conjunction with polymers to create a transparent electrode surface. So here's an example of our silver nanowires that have been coated onto a PET film, and we see conductivity down to single-digit ohms per square and transparency up to 92–93%. So ITO is very brittle, it's very expensive, it is very difficult to work with, but you can see just from this film, silver nanowire films are very flexible, and they represent an ideal solution for touchscreens, for OLED displays, for a wide range of solar photovoltaic technologies such as organics, thin film silicon, SIGs, etc. So we sell to universities as well as OEM manufacturers and coating and ink formulation companies who use our silver nanowires and transparent electrode technologies. And we're available online at www.bluenanoinc.com. Thank you.